This is how you operate the bottom bunk bed to turn it into a dining room table. First, you need to remove the pillows. So the winch is a standard boat winch. You crank the bed all the way up, turns into a dining room table. You have 2 chairs underneath. Ta-da! So to break the chairs back down, I'll lay them underneath. There's little silver tabs on both sides underneath. Just pull them forward and it will unlatch. To lower the bed, remember no children should be operating this boat winch. Push it back a little bit under the claw on the gears and it will free fall, so be careful. Then set the claw, make it slack out the cable.